This is a video to show you how we're going to be using this new Mural tool. When you click the link to be able to view the shared document, hopefully you will see this. If not, you can, I believe, hit the back button and it should show you the different options. We're going to do the welcome call one today. So once you're in here, one thing that might be helpful is to use the zoom in button to make the screen a size that you are comfortable with. And then this little feature down here will let you quickly move around to different parts of the document. So it's helpful if you kind of center it in a way that allows you to see everything in a way that's comfortable for you. So one thing we're going to be doing today are to talk about what our priorities are for the welcome calls. And so I've assigned everybody a color of stickies. So when we start this exercise, I'll ask you all to click on this little text and it'll pop up all the different color stickies. So to do this, you'll pick your color sticky and just pull it over to the place that you want to pull it. So let's say for Melissa, one of the top 3 things that she wants her family is to walk away with in the welcome call is to know how to sign up for clubs. She would take her color sticky, which is yellow, and pull it right over to the club section. And then she can start typing here, know how to sign up for clubs. Once you do that, if she accidentally puts it in the wrong place, you can just highlight it and it should be able to drag around. If she decides she wants to scratch that all together, she can right click and delete it. And then if she wants a bigger sticky note, she can use this. And you can also make the one you have bigger or smaller. You can change the font size, etc. So that's the basic functionality of this that we're going to be using today, and just wanted to give you a heads up so you could even play around with it and make sure that you're comfortable using this. If you have any questions or anything at all, just let me know. Thank you.